Hello everybody, this is Marcus, and today I'm going to show you how to do and send your homework assignment to us, okay? First thing I like you to do is to open a folder so you can save your documents. I am going to name this folder English Online, but you can name your folder whatever you like, okay? So I'll keep this folder here for a while. I will go visit the page on your Moodle, and here I have online training. So this is our lesson on March 20th, and you played a game here, you did the activities in the course book, the student's book, and the workbook, and this is the file. This is the homework assignment we sent you. Possessives activity. I'm clicking on it. Have you been having trouble with the Moodle? We're fixing that, okay? And I'm going to click on it so as to save the file on my computer. Let me open the file. It will take a while. But then, here it is. So you have, first of all, you have to click here to habilitar edição, okay? So you can write on the file. So this is what you have to do. Here you have the personal pronouns, possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns. This is a revision, obviously. And for activity 1, you have to fill in the blanks. This is a blank with a possessive adjective. These. Okay, so if you have a look at the first one, Wendy is carrying heavy luggage. I know that Wendy is a female's name. It must be a girl or a woman, so I know that the possessive adjective in this case is her. Okay, and what I would like you to do is to change the color of the font. So you come here, font color, okay, change it to whatever color you like. I will use the same color I used here, so now I know the answer, right? Then for activity 2, the same thing, but now we're talking about possessive pronouns. So here, look, this is my project. Where is, I'm talking to you, so I'm showing you my project. I want to see yours. That is right. So I will come here. Where is yours? I'll just separate the question mark from the word. Then I will color, I'll use green because that's the color I used, but you can choose whatever color you like. Okay, once you have it, once you have done everything, first of all you have to save this file. Okay, to save the file, I'll just add my name to it. So Marcus, and I'll just create a group, which is 6F. So remember, guys, when you save your file, remember to somehow indicate which group you belong to. If you're 6th grader, A, B, C, D, or E. Okay, so let me just save it as 6F. Just for the sake of it. So okay, so now I have the file, I can close it. I'll return to my Moodle, and then everything is ready for me to submit it. So just click on add submission. I don't know if you visualize your Moodle in English or Portuguese, but it should be something like enviar, right? So let me find the file. Here it is. I click on it, and we're just ready to go. See, just click here, save changes, and you are already submitting it to us, to Marinês and I. Hope you understood everything. Take care, stay healthy, bye bye.